Hello, welcome to Bruges, Belgium. Today, we have a tour from Amsterdam to Bruges. Bruges is located at the northwest of Belgium. I came early for this tour, so I got the best seat. Sitting next to me are my new friends from Malaysia. This is our bus going to Bruges. I paid €89 for this tour. So let's go and enjoy the ride. It takes 2 hours and 40 minutes for this trip. I got my nap and this is now in Belgium. Our tour starts now and we only have 5 hours. Of course, I always buy magnets for my collection.
The beat start again, oh, and then do it the same. Magnetized, you feel a big appeal, flying high, oh, just like a moth to the flame.
And you can find the best waffles here in Belgium.
When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better.
And this boat tour is only €8.
Heading for the street, into the heat of the night. Yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen it come. You acted numb, don't deny. You are like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving.
And this is my favorite spot in Bruges. Don't forget to see the Basilica of the Holy Blood.
Story of Bruges, so the two miracles that saved Bruges from destruction during the Second World War.